Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video, just wanted to have a look at the crypto market at the moment and just do some TA on some coins that I'm buying right now. And literally, yeah, let's get straight into it. So the market at the moment is currently 891 billion. That's 1.5% down in the last 24 hours. And as we can see here, Bitcoin is down 1.7% in the last 24. So it's currently trading around $17,000. Yesterday it was at about 16.9, so we're back up holding that 17k again. Ethereum is at 1.2k, down 2.6% in the last 24. And a lot of the other major altcoins are down, so pretty much just a red day in the market altogether. You can see Dodge is down, Chainlink is also down as well. Chainlink have introduced their staking today. So yeah, it looks like a bit of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, but you know, well, it's difficult to say really because the whole market is down. So yeah, you know, Chainlink is also down 3.4%, but they have introduced their staking today. If you guys want to go and check that out, but yeah, a lot of the coins are down at the moment, so it doesn't really look like a great day. How it's kind of coming along so far. Fear and greed is currently at extreme fear. Yesterday we were at fear, last week fear, last month fear, and literally now we've dropped back down again to extreme fear. So you can see that that extreme fear kicking in again, which I always say, like, when there's extreme fear or even fear, that's the best time to be buying. That's when you want to be DCAing. Obviously, nothing that I say is financial advice, so please do your own research before you do end up buying any token. But yeah, just kind of what a strategy that I kind of use is extreme fear in the market or fear in the market. You got to be DCAing at that time. That's when you're going to get a lot of these super projects on discount. So I'm looking at the charts here on the 4-hourly. So this is Bitcoin on the 4-hourly at a major trend line through the middle here, which you can see in white. So currently we're hitting that trend line and just kind of bouncing around that level. We haven't yet broken that trend line. We were above a few days ago, trading at 17.5 or so, and we then hit the 200 EMA and came back down. So currently it looks like we're using the 200 EMA as resistance and the 50 EMA as support. So you can see we're kind of bouncing around those levels there. Looks like if we can break this, this white trend line here, then potentially we could be headed back up towards the 200 EMA. But if not, then we're probably heading back down again to 16.9 in the short term anyways. And if we do drop down further from that 16.9, then next kind of levels are around 16.4. But RSI is kind of at the bottom here, kind of reset and then start bouncing up a little bit again. But the MACD is looking bearish, so you kind of have to say that the sentiment in the market is bearish at the moment. Ethereum, again, ETH have got a major trend line in the middle there. Looking at this on the 4-hourly, similar RSI to how Bitcoin was, and you can see here we're literally touching that trend line, so we're just bouncing around on that trend line. It looks like a decision needs to be made now if we're going to either break that trend line or either drop below. If we do drop down, then the next level of support is roughly 1.2k, and if we do break that that trend line there, I think we'll probably end up heading to the 1275, which is the 200 EMA as a kind of resistance level. And again, the MACD is looking bearish, so yeah, it's fair to say that rather than to the upside, we'll probably end up playing out to the downside there on this occasion anyways. So Gala is a coin that obviously you guys know I'm mega bullish on. We've got a bit of a spike here, so we were trading within this range on the 4-hourly. We broke the I think they call it a Darvis box, so that we've broken that Darvis box. You can see that we were kind of ranging around the 50 EMA level, and we've broken that level, so we're kind of headed towards the 200 EMA here, which will put the token price at 0.028, although I know it's not a massive difference from the 0.027, but obviously if you've got high volume, it still can be a major increase. MACD looks bullish as well, although the only issue here is that the stochastic RSI is literally up in the overbought section at the moment, so we might get a bit of a reset, might end up pulling back down on the price before, I guess, heading up again. But in the short term, we'll probably, we might get that reset and end up coming down slightly. Also, Sandbox, another metaverse play that I'm looking at, got a major trend line in there, the white one again, and again we're kind of just ranging between the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA, so you can see we've kind of used that as support and resistance. At the moment we've got a bit of a green candle. MACD looks pretty bullish. Wouldn't say majorly bullish, but a little bit bullish anyways. So I think we'll probably end up headed towards the 200 EMA here, and then we'll probably end up dropping back down again. The RSI at the moment is currently trading within range, so yeah, my kind of short prediction for Sandbox is probably up to the 0.062, so 62 cents, and then end up dropping back down again, hitting that major trend line, the white one, and also the 200 EMA before dropping back down and resetting, and then potentially going up further after that, but in the short term probably drop down from there. But yeah guys, hit me up on the comments below, let me know what you're buying, let me know what you think about some of the altcoins that I've just listed out there, and yeah, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.